My name is Arvind Kumar. So today we will discuss about Azure Portal overview. So today's agenda is what is Azure Portal. Okay, so Azure Portal is a web-based graphical user interface where you can manage Azure subscription. Also, you can create, build, deploy, manage and monitor all the Microsoft Azure cloud-based services. Okay, also it provides the feature of alternative to the command line tool. Okay, so let's go to Azure Portal website and let's discuss about the features of Azure Portal. Okay, let's go to portal.azure.com. portal.azure.com. Okay, press enter. So it is asking for my email ID. Okay, let me enter my email ID, arvindtext99@gmail.com. Okay, so I have entered the email ID. Click next. So it is asking for password, so I have entered the password. Click on sign in. Okay, so it is asking for stay sign in, so I am clicking don't show this again. So let me click yes. It is opening. Okay, so friend, this is a Azure Portal website. Okay, you can see that I have 14,500 rupees credit in my account, that is, and I am using the subscription as free trial, which we have learned in last video, like how to create the free trial subscription. Okay, so it is showing that the subscription is free trial, and the amount I have in 14,500 in rupees. Okay, so let's close this. So and let's discuss this one by one features of Azure Portal. Let's click on the left menu. So here these are the options the Microsoft is providing by default. Okay, so you can create a resources from here. Okay, so we will discuss this creation of resources, what are resources in Azure services. So we will discuss in next tutorial, next video. Okay, so if you click on the home, you will land to the home. You can create own dashboard from this option. If you click on all services, then Microsoft, you will see that these are the services which is Microsoft is providing, like general compute, network, storage, web, mobile, containers. These are the services which is Microsoft is providing. Okay, so if the next option is all resources, if you click on the all resources, you will see the resources which you have available here. Currently you don't have like created any of the resources. Okay, so we will discuss this in next video. So let's discuss again. You can create a resource group from here. You can create as app services. You can create a function app. You can create SQL database as Azure Cosmos DB. You can create virtual machines, load balancer, storage. So these are the options. Okay, you can monitor, advisor. Okay, so this is security is Microsoft Defender for cloud, cost management plus billing. So all the cost related things is managed under cost and billing. Okay, all the invoices, all the calculations, all the which is related to the cost is managed from here. Okay, so if you want help and support, just click here. Okay, let's discuss the option which is available on the top right side. Okay, so first option is like you can see here, this is the option of Cloud Shell. Okay, if you click here on the Cloud Shell option, it will open the window below. So welcome, it is showing welcome to Azure Cloud Shell. This is the Cloud Shell. Okay, there are two options available here, Bash and PowerShell. Okay, so we will discuss this in upcoming videos. Now this is just for information. Okay, the second option is like directory plus subscription. If you click on here, it will show the directory and subscription information. So default subscription filter is we have the free trial option. Okay, now you can see here on the down that Microsoft directory. Microsoft have created the default directory. Okay, directory name is default directory. Okay, it is showing this is a current. Okay, and the domain name is this one. Okay, and the directory ID is this one. Okay, so if you click on the appearance plus startup view, you will see that the appearance of the dashboard. I have the menu behavior is this is by default, this is selected. If you want this behavior, you can select this is the theme. Currently the Azure blue theme is there. So if you want to change the theme, you can select here. So you can select high contrast theme also from here. Okay, so third option is like language plus region. You can select the language settings here, like English. These are the languages. Okay, these are the region optional also coming here, region format. Okay, so if you click on my information, this is the email address that my email address is showing here. Okay, last option is signed out plus notification. Okay, it is showing enable directly level ideal timeout. If you click on this, then it will enable directly level ideal timeout. Okay, so second option is sign me out when inactive. So this is the by default option, never is selected. You can select any of the option from here, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. You can select any of the option. Okay, so next is notification. Okay, so it is showing enable pop-up notification, that is ticked. Okay, by default. Okay, it means that if you have enabled this, notification will come as a pop-up. So next option is you will see this bell icon. If all the information you will see here like as a notification. Okay, so currently it is showing that I have rupees 14,500 credit remaining in my account. Okay, and my subscription is free trial has remaining credit. Okay, this is the free trial credit that Microsoft has provided. You can upgrade this service as pay as you go subscription. So we will discuss this. I have already created one video regarding pay as you go subscription. So link is already provided in description box. You can go through that. Okay, if you click on settings, it will if you click on settings, then it will redirect to portal setting option. So see, these are the options which we have already discussed. Okay, if you see on the left side, there are useful links are also given. Learn more about settings, safe list URL, Microsoft partner networks, private settings, more about Azure, more Azure resources, provide feedback. Okay, so these are the quick links here, useful links which is available here. Okay, so if you click on this question mark icon, so you will see that support and troubleshooting option. Okay, so this is the option of health and services. Okay, so no Azure services issue detected. Okay, if you click on the view service health, it will show the service health and service issues related information here. Okay, for an example, service issue. Okay, the plant maintenance. Okay, and health advisor. So don't worry, we will discuss this in coming videos. Okay, so next is support resources. So the first link is Azure, ask the Azure community. So if you click on that, it will redirect to the ask and community page. So the page is opening now. Okay, so this is the button for ask a question. Okay, on the right side top. Okay, if you go down, these are the like get developer and IT support for Azure product questions. Okay, so you can ask questions related to AI, machine learning, analytics, compute, containers, database. So these are the options, these are the services options which are available for which are available in Azure. Okay, so you can ask questions related to these services. Okay, so this comes under Azure community support. Okay, so let's go back. So next option is explore Azure documentation. So if you click on this, you will like explore Azure documentation. These are the options, like if you want to learn about AI learning, analytics, compute, these are the options. So any options you can select and learn here. Okay, so next option is the view billing FAQs. So if you have some queries related billing, you can see, you can read here, like cost management plus billing frequency questions. Okay, these are the questions related to billing. You can read all these things, all these questions, and the informative material here related to your billing. So just read it and it will help you in that cost and billing option. Okay, so next is visit quick center. So if you click on that, you will see that these are the quick center options which is Microsoft is providing. Like you can create web app, you can create virtual machine, you can like deploy and run container based apps, set up a database. These are the options you can like, it is showing in quick center. Okay, so what else is showing in that? You can, last option is more and help. If you want help and support from Microsoft, you just click here, help and support. Okay, so it will open this page. Okay, so just if you want some help, just create a support request, just click on that and fill the information. whatever the information, what help is required, just describe your summary, uh, describe your issue. Okay, what issue you are facing regarding Azure portal, or any other query you can raise here, and select the issue type. Okay, what type of issue you want to, I mean, what type of issue you are facing. It is related, if it is related to billing, just select billing. If it is related to services and subscription, if it is related to subscription manager, if some technical assistant is required, then you can select here from here. Okay, so this is the option for options which is coming in the support from the Microsoft Azure. Okay, next option is feedback. Okay, send feedback to Microsoft Azure. So you can give the feedback to Microsoft from here. Okay, so next option is, if you click on this email ID and default directory option, then it will show that it is the you can signed out from here. My name is shown here, my email ID is shown here. If you want some my Microsoft account option, if you want to switch the directory, and the click here, you will switch the directory. Okay, you can sign out to, you can sign in with different account from here. Okay, so let's come to the dashboard. We will discuss about this part. Okay, so it is written, hi Arvind, see what's more you can get from your Azure free account. Okay, if we click on view remaining credit, just open this. Okay, so it is opening now. So what it is showing, it is showing free trial. Okay, this is my subscription. You can cancel, you can upgrade the subscription from here, you can cancel the subscription, you can rename, change directory, transfer billing ownership, you can give the feedback. Okay, so if your credit, if this is the information, like your free credit is expired in 11 days, this is the information, it is going in this tab. Okay, so now these are the subscription ID, default directory, my role is admin, account admin, offer is free trial, this is offer ID. Okay, subscription name is free trial, current billing period, currency, status. So these are the options which is coming in this menu. Okay, so these are the options, like last it will show here. Currently we don't have this tab has doesn't have data. Okay, so it is last build amount will show here, invoice over time will show here, shortcuts. Okay, spend rate forecast will show here, cost by resources will come in this. So okay, so these are the top products by number will come here, Azure Defender. Okay, so you can upgrade cover from here. If you want click here, you will see all free services, it will show here on the right. So free service for 12 months, these are the 12 month services which is free. Okay, currently I am not using it, so it is showing not in use. So these are the services, just go one by one, like Azure Cosmos DB free data store, Azure Cosmos DB 100 RU per s. So these are the options which are free for 12 months. Okay, so let's go to the next option. So second option is try any service. Okay, or browse free service included with your account. So next is browse free services. If you open this, then it will redirect to this page. Okay, so page is opening. So Microsoft Azure is providing free services. Okay, services free for 12 months, which with the Azure free account. Okay, so these are the services, which is available for free, that is for 12 months. Okay, with Azure free account. Okay, so for an example, these services are like Windows virtual machine, Linux virtual machine. Okay, Azure disk, Azure managed disk, Azure blob storage, Azure file storage, Key Vault, Azure Media Service encoding. Okay, Azure database for MySQL. So these are all the services which are available for free for 12 months in Azure free account. Okay, okay, so let's discuss this. Take a free online course on Microsoft. So you can learn free from Microsoft. You can learn free Azure from here, this option. Okay, if you click on this, it will redirect to the learning Microsoft Learn for Azure page. Okay, so if you go below, you will see that your path to get started. These are the learning path. You can learn Microsoft Azure fundamental, describe core Azure concept. If you click on this video is of 1 hour 34 minutes. So if just for information, I am clicking one. So if you click on that, so it will redirect to this page. Okay, you will this is the video Okay, so I'm pausing that. So this is the video you will see here. Okay, and one by one, if you click it one by one, you can read this. This is part one, this is part two, this is part three. So one by one, this you can run this video, and you will start learning. So this is the basic idea about that, how will you will learn. Okay, the next option is watch a demo and attend a live QA. So if you click on that, it will redirect to the Azure demo and live QA session. Okay, so these are the options. Okay, you can register Azure demo as a live QA section. Choose the options for best you should. Just choose the option. Okay, for live QA session, click on the slot. Okay, fill out the form. Okay, just fill this form and submit. Okay, so for the live QA session, you will fill this. You need to fill this form. Okay, so next is start a project and quick center. So let's click on that. Okay, so it will redirect to the quick start center. So we have already discussed that Microsoft is providing quick center, that you can create web app, but you can deploy virtual machine, deploy run and container based app, set up a database. So these are the options available in quick center. So let's go back because we have already discussed this. So let's go back. Okay, so explore a support resource from here. So let's click on that. You can get support from Microsoft. So how will you get support from Microsoft? We have already discussed. Just click on the create and support option. Okay, so provide your summary of description, like if you have any issue which is related to Microsoft Azure portal, or if you have any query, just raise a request. Select the issue type from here, if it is related to billing, if it is related to service subscription limit, so if it is related to subscription management, if there you need any technical assistance, so select the options, like what type of issue you are facing. Just select that and describe your issue from here. Okay, so you will the next is you need to submit this. Okay, so it will Microsoft will help you in your in your query. Okay, so friends, let's go down. So here it is showing recent resources which we have like just opened that. Okay, so if you go below, you can see there is an option of tools. So you will see has you can click on Microsoft Learn. You can Azure Monitor option is you can monitor the Azure apps from here. Okay, you can use Microsoft Defender for cloud. This is a secure for your apps and infrastructure. You can like cost management. You can go, you can open from cost management from here, where you can manage your cost and billing related and invoice related things from here. Okay, some useful links are also given below, like technical documentation you can read here. Azure services, recent Azure updates, you can get recent Azure updates from here. Okay, Azure migration tool is shown here. If you want Azure expert, just find an Azure expert. Quick center we have already discussed. So next option is Azure mobile app. So you can download it from Apple Store. Also for Android, you can download it from Play Store. Okay, so one more option is left, like there is an option of upgrade. So you can upgrade your free trial option with pay as you go. So let's see that. If you click on upgrade option, it will so from this option you can upgrade your free subscription from here. So it is written like move to pay as you pricing for free services and uninterrupted Azure to Azure. Okay, so these are the basic detail which Microsoft Azure is asking for to convert your free account to pay as you go, for pay as you go pricing. Okay, so subscription name is given below. So just enter your PAN ID, and PAN ID is mandatory. So enter the, if you have the GST ID, just click enter and click on upgrade. You will upgrade your free subscription to pay as you go subscription from here. Okay, so friends, let's go to dashboard. So friends, this is all about the dashboard. Hope you like this video. So friends, this is all about the Microsoft Azure portal. Okay, so if new options will come, then we will definitely cover in upcoming videos. Okay, so hope you like this video. So friends, please, it's a request, please support us and like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So friend, this is about myself. I have total 16 years of IT experience. Mostly I worked on Microsoft technology like Azure, SQL Server, SSI, C#.NET,